Good morning, guys. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing Construction. At a house over here in Deltona that we started this afternoon. And I wanted to go over a couple things that come up during projects. This is kind of a frequent question that we get asked when we're sitting down and discussing a contract with the customer and getting ready to do their house. It's about contingencies. It's about the way that the decking and the wood looks under your shingle material and what our obligation is as a roofing contractor with the state of Florida to repair those items and to make sure that they get handled appropriately. So I'm gonna go up on the roof. We'll take a look at what we got going on here. You can see behind me, we're already started the work. It's about 11 o'clock, so this is always a great time to stop by the home. But we're gonna go on the roof here and take a look at it, and we'll show you a little bit about it. All right, guys, so we're up on the roof here, over here in Deltona. Just wanted to go over a couple things, a couple code requirements that have changed this year. You can see we have double overlap of the synthetic paper. That's a new code requirement. And I wanted to talk a little bit about contingencies in a contract. This homeowner, we obviously have a contract with the homeowner, and some of the contingency items that we have in the contract are some of the damaged wood. And oftentimes customers go, oh, I'm sure I don't have any damaged wood. And you know, we're hoping that we can hold firm on the price that you guys have contracted us, but we do have some contingencies in the contract. And I definitely wanted to show you this home because this is a prime example of what happens sometimes when we take off. So we've got this side all dried in, crew's working hard, but let's pan across over here to where the side that they haven't dried in all the way yet. Sometimes there's holes in customers' roofs, so we're gonna have to replace this whole sheet of plywood. You can see over here in that area right there, that is all rotted out. Now I guess when you get to the eave over here on this side of the house, they obviously had leaks for a while. So now you can see at the eave down here, this is all rotted. And we actually had to replace this entire eave. So as we get down to the eave here, sometimes the fascia is rotted out as well. And this is another prime example here. These are things that we can't see on your roof until we get up here and start taking some things apart. Now this roof is over 20 years old, so you can see what happens when you have a 20-year-old roof. There's some rotted fascia. We'll have to replace that whole 2x6 as you go across and then reattach these trusses. But you can see that all this had to be replaced. So, you know, we have our shingles here, we have some extra plywood, we have some more 2x4 bracing here, getting ready to install a new electrical boot on the bottom of that power mast. There are just a couple of things that come up during a project that are unforeseen, and this is one of those things. So I always like to share with customers, you know, some of our experience and some of the things that are going on. You can see he is tearing this whole sheet up that I just showed you that was rotted. So that's just something that we have to do in order to pass our inspections, and just some good information for customers to know what they're dealing with.